How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to find your Citibank Swift code. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So we're going to be using this little tool by Wise, and what it is a tracker for bank identification codes or Swift codes. So all you guys have to do is basically follow the on-screen instructions and narrow it down to your bank based on the information that you already know. So in this case, we're going to be finding our Swift code. So let's actually select this one, this little tool right here. So United Kingdom. Then you're going to enter your bank name. So let's enter Barclays. Barclays. Here we are. Then you're going to select the city. Basically, just follow the on-screen instructions, and you guys should be good to go. Like I said at the start of the video, because everything here is automated and built in. So basically, the website will do the heavy lifting for you and narrow down your bank and find your Swift code. Where is it? Oh, here we are. And find my Swift code. And here is the Swift code. Oh, this one right here. So it's a simple tool. Anyone can use it. It's pretty straightforward. It doesn't require any rocket science. So have fun with it. So yeah, that's a video. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.